Hi, to work with VBA and macros, let's do some adjustments and setup. So first thing is on the ribbons, I need a developer tab. So how to enable that? To enable that, you can go to file, you go to options, then go to customize ribbon, and you will have your developer tab here, which would be unchecked. You click on it, make sure it's selected, and you click OK. Come back and you should see the developer tab here. So that's the developer tab which has all the controls for macros. Now another thing that I want to do is to write macros or be able to edit it and run it, I should save them in a macro enabled file. Now this is a new file that I've created in Excel. So how do I save this? As a macro enabled file is I go to file, save as, hit browse, give the project that you place that you want to save. This is the place that I want to save, but I already have book 1. That's fine. And then this file I want is book 2, but I don't want it as a Excel X file. So what I do is I choose a macro enabled file, XLSM. That's great. So this is a macro enabled file which is saved in this folder. Now I click save, and this is where I can write and edit code. And if I go to the folder, I see that I have two files in this folder. One is a Microsoft Excel worksheet which has an extension of XLSX, and the second one is the one that I just saved, which is XLSM extension, and the type of file that is Microsoft Excel macro enabled worksheet. So this is the workbook book 2 that is a macro enabled file in which I can write and run VBA. All right.